Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to turn off likes on X. So if you're wondering how to turn off your likes on X, then actually the truth is that you cannot completely disable the like button everywhere, but you can make sure that your likes stay private, and also you can limit who can like your posts. Okay, so let's do that step by step. Open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then you have to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Open section that says Privacy and Safety. Go to Audience and Tagging section at the top. And now you should see here option that says Protect Your Posts. So you want to turn it on. This will make your account private, and only people you approve as followers can see your posts and hit the like button. Additionally, it's optional, but you can do that. If you want, you can clean up your old likes. So tap your profile picture in the top left, then access your profile, and as you can see, your profile is divided into several tabs right here. So you want to go to Likes tab and go to specific post that you want to hide from your this Likes tab, and you can hit this like button again so that it was no longer on your profile. But actually, as of 2024, this Likes tab is already private by default, so that no one can see what posts you have liked earlier except you. But if you want to save posts without leaving your like, you can use bookmarks instead, because they are 100% private, and in this way you will be sure that no one can see which post you like. So in order to use that bookmark option, you have to tap this bookmark icon, and it will save this post to your bookmarks, which you can find if you go to again, let's go to homepage and tap your profile picture in the top left, and here you can see several sections. Find the bookmarks, and here is my post. Yes, so that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.